Yan, ma'am. This is where the magic happens. Hi, future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So for today's vlog, we will be heading to another property which is single attached near Clark International Airport sa Talanai Homes by 𝐕𝐢𝐻𝐻. So dito tayo ngayon sa mag-exit sa Dao. So yan yung kung manggagaling kang San Fernando or Manila, so yan yung exit sa NLEX, which is the Dao exit. And then Talanai is part of Mabalacat City dito sa Pampanga. So this is the Dao exit, and then dito maraming mga establishment din such as SMR, the bus terminal, the hospital, and even mga schools. Later on, I'll be showing you around sa mga dadaan natin, no? Which is another very strategic location din siya. So, yan. And then, if you've noticed, madaming mga buses dito kasi galing yan from Manila. So, dito sa Dao bus terminal, yan, if you want to go to the north or if you want to go to the south, so you have already the bus terminal dito sa Dao. This is the bus terminal, the Mabalacat City bus terminal. So malapit lang yung project namin dito sa Talanai, dito sa bus terminal. And surprisingly, meron ng pure gold Dao access road dito. So kung gusto mo pumunta ng Pangasinan, gusto mo ng Manila, so generally speaking, Pampanga is really the passageway, or it's the gateway, no? It is the center if you really want to go to the north and if you want to go to the south. So that madadaan mo ang Pampanga. So from here, from the bus terminal, if you're going to left side, you will be going to SM Clark. So malapit lang dito yung SM Clark. And if you're going to turn right, so dun papunta yung project. Yung project it will just take us about 10 to 15 minutes away from the bus terminal. So let's go. So malapit na tayo sa kanto ng subdivision. But before dun sa kanto, again, madadaanan natin yung hospital, which is the St. Raphael Hospital. So ayun siya, yung color yellow and blue. And dun sa mismong kanto, we also have the SM Hypermarket, and meron din tayong Skytech doon. So Skytech, parang commercial establishment din doon na yun nga, yung mga BPO companies na nag-ooperate. So if you're really working near dito, perfect talaga yung Talanai for you, na instead of you renting out, but you will own your own house, diba? You can call it your own home. So this is the St. Raphael Hospital Center. The St. Raphael Foundation Medical Center. And then we also have again the Skytech. Nandyan yung mga lessee, no? The PNB, the cloud staff. So we have also the cloud staff branch here, no? One of the biggest BPO company dito sa Philippines. And of course, like what I mentioned a while ago, we have the SM Hypermarket. So ito yung pinakakanto niya. It is the Barangay 𝐂𝐸𝐻𝐿. Ayan yung pinaka-arko niya, the Barangay 𝐂𝐸𝐻𝐿. From kanto, if we will going to the site itself, it will just take us about 5 to 8 minutes. Ganun lang siya kalapit. So very, very strategic yung location niya. And we will just go straight forward dito, or just straight. Ito yung tulay na sinasabi ko sa inyo, na you could really see Kasi right beside the dun sa kanto, papunta na yon going to NX. And then of course, yung pinagmamalaki dito sa Pampanga is the view of the mountain, the iconic Mount Arayan. Sobrang nature vibe talaga. And you could really see the view of the Mount Arayan here. So yung pinaka barangay is the barangay